8 things women with great skin always do. 3, 4 and 5 can do wonders on your skin. If today is your first time on our channel, consider subscribing to our channel for more quality videos like this. Don't forget to turn on the notification button. Thank you. Having great skin is the dream of every woman. Today we will give you 10 tips women with great skin do. Apply these tips and you will fall in love with your new look. There are things some women do that affect their skin without knowing. These things will only spoil your skin if you don't stop it. 1. They never go to bed with makeup on their face. No matter what, or how late it's, try to remove your makeup before going to sleep. Removing your makeup can make the difference. Makeup can get pushed deeper into your pores. Some dead skin cells are meant to shed every day. But having makeup on 24/7 can cause them to stick to the skin's surface. 2. They drink plenty of water morning to night. To have great skin, always take plenty of water. Not just when you're super thirsty. You need water to maintain healthy body. Hydration inside and out is key to keeping your skin radiant. At least 8 glasses of water daily is still the recommended daily minimum. 3. They exercise regularly. Exercising has a positive effect on your skin. Because a workout increases circulation and improve healthy body. To have great skin, you need great workouts. At least 3 times a week. 4. They eat healthy food, not junk food. If most of your calories are coming from the snack, your skin is going to pay the price. Sugar, white bread, pasta, cake, and candy may speed up glycation in skin. Eat a well-balanced diet full of non-processed foods, like green veggies, fresh fruit, yogurt and protein food to make sure your skin look healthy. 5. They sleep. Well, to get great skin, you must always sleep at least 8 hours daily. Put your body to rest. When you sleep, you are allowing your mind, body, and skin to repair. 6. They always sleep on a clean pillowcase and bed sheet. Your skin can pick up dirt and bacteria, traces of makeup, from a pillowcase and dirty bed sheet that hasn't been washed. Always wash your pillow and bed sheet at least twice a week. Or change it over once a week to avoid a buildup of these pores. 7. They wear sunglasses most time. Sunglasses have multiple important protective effects. Not only can they protect your actual eyes from UV-inflicted damage, but they also protect the fragile surrounding skin against fine lines and brown spots. 8. Clean your phone daily. Is very important to always clean your phone. Don't press it directly against your skin when talking or sleeping. Your phone is a breeding ground for germs. Apply these tips, you will have great skin like most women, especially models. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel for more quality videos like this. Follow us on Instagram at Real Mob World. This video was brought to you by Mob World. Thank you for watching.